Okay, so I decided to show a quicker way of doing this problem so that you see that it could have been done much quicker. So once we had built these two equations, it was only a matter of introducing the values for sine alpha and cos alpha and then doing a bit of algebra instead of trying to fiddle with everything and taking out common factors and stuff like that, which tends to be the neater way. Here it was quite time consuming, so if we do it with numbers, then alpha was 36.8698 blah 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 degrees. So if I get sine alpha and cos alpha as values, then I can put these in the equations and it becomes much easier. So I'm going to do sine of the angle, and that is 0.6 exactly, and cos of the angle is 0.8 exactly. So that's good news because it's all very simple. Now we can say that equation 1 boils into r minus w times cos alpha, which is 0.8, equals 4 times sine alpha, which is 0.6, and the second equation goes to half r plus 4 times cos alpha, which is 0.8, equals w sine alpha, which is w times 0.6. Now looking at this, we can just do a simple substitution, which is going to be easier than the other stuff that I was doing with subtracting them or whatever. So I'm going to take equation number 1 and leave the r alone, which would be 4 times 0.6, which is 2.4, plus 0.8 w. I pass this to the other side, and if that is r, then I put it into equation number 2, and it becomes 1/2 of r, and r is, I'm putting this into there, 1/2 of r, and r is 2.4 plus 0.8 w, then plus so that's half of r, then plus 4 times 0.8 equals 0.6 w. And from here, well, 1/2 of 2.4 is 1.2, 4 times 0.8 is 3.2, so that is 1.2 times 3.2, which is 4.4, so this would be 4.4 there, 0.6 w here, and here 1/2 times 0.8 w is 0.4 w. And so I can pass them to the other side, and I get 0.6 minus 0.2 is 0.2 w is 4.4, and therefore 4.4 times 5, well, let's do it, 4.4 divided by 0.2, which is the same thing as times 5, divided by 0.2, to go to 22 newtons. So we got this much quicker than doing it the other way. Okay, and now introducing that into here, we get 2.4 plus 0.8 times w. So 22 times 0.8 equals 17.6, and now we add the 2.4 and we get 20 newtons for r. So that was much quicker doing it that way. So sometimes it's easier to do it that way. You get it one equation and you put it into the other like a substitution, and other times it's easier to do it the way that I did it when you mix the equations, but it's useful to, which was all of this mess here. Okay, but hopefully you can see that doing it that way, now it took about a couple of minutes, and the total of minutes for that question would have been about 10 done properly. Okay, see you in the next video.